Do you know what the Monty Hall problem is? It's super interesting because it shows how our intuitions don't line up with statistics. And it's also really cool if you end up on a game show. The Monty Hall problem. So there used to be a game show called Let's Make a Deal. And one of the common games on the show was they would put 3 doors on the stage. They'd pick somebody from the audience and they would tell them, there's a car behind one door and there are goats behind the other 2 doors. Now the assumption is you prefer the car, so we'll go with that. And they would say, pick a door. So your chance is 1/3 that you would pick the car. So you pick a door. Then Monty Hall, the host, would take away a door and he would say, do you want to keep your door or do you want to switch to the other door? Now, you know he's indicated he's removed a door with a goat behind it and that the car is still there. So the question is, do you stay with your selection or do you switch? Or does it not matter? Now, in first glance, it seems like it doesn't matter. It's still 50-50, there's 2 choices and you picked one. But that's actually not true. You should always switch. Why should you switch? Well, he has introduced a piece of information that dramatically changes the ratio for your selection. What has occurred is he's reversed your original selection. So your original selection, you had a 1/3 chance. That means that there was a 66% chance, a 2/3 chance that the car was in one of the other ones. Now he removed the ones that didn't have the car. So that means if you switch now, you are taking the 66% chance of having the car. So you've switched from a 1/3 likelihood of selecting the car to 2/3. So statistics are really interesting how they correspond to our logic and our emotions. And that is where so many mistakes happen because the math is never wrong. The math is easy. In any kind of statistic modeling, the trick is setting up the problem correctly.